There are two ways of controlling the BBC microbit. The simplest is to connect the microbit to your computer using a USB cable. The alternative is the contact-free method of using Bluetooth wireless. If you are using a new microbit for the first time, you must use a USB cable connection to send the Mr. Bit firmware code to the microbit. You do that like this. Connect the microbit to your computer, select the Communicate menu, then select Choose Microbit. Click Send Firmware. Now let's see how you can control the microbit by the USB method. We already have a simple program ready to go. Let's use it. Make sure that the microbit is connected. Select Control from the Communicate menu. Notice the red border when the control mode is working. As you press the buttons, you can see the program is working both on the computer and on the microbit. Control mode is useful for checking that the program works on the microbit, because you can see it on the computer screen as well. You can make the microbit run the program independently from the computer by transferring the code and storing it in the microbit's memory. Once again, check the USB connection, but this time select Transfer from the Communicate menu. When transfer is complete, you can disconnect the USB cable, but you will need to connect a battery. Here it is, working all on its own. If you want to use Bluetooth wireless with your microbit, please view the Bluetooth version of this tutorial.